Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is a very cool lock. It's an Ingersoll, Impregnable, I think, and it's a 10 lever lock. No doubt, as I go through this video, I'll call them pins or discs because I'll just keep forgetting, but this is technically a lever lock. Some might say that it's a hinged wafer lock. I think it's levers. You have these 10 levers, 5 each side, which are hinged, I think, from the bottom, and they basically can swing out. At the top there is a sidebar with which basically will drop into the gates in the levers if they're all aligned. The key, which in this case is extremely long, never seen an Ingersoll impregnable key this long before. The first centimetre here is just spacer to go into the lock. The bitting on the key pushes the levers out, well, like that, I think, by a certain degree. So the higher the cut, the further the lever is pushed outwards. When the key goes in all the way, you'll see that this latch or bolt is retracted. But that isn't the cool thing about this lock. This is sort of a slam lock. This would be on the outside, I believe, of the door. So obviously this is, you know, a couple of inches thick, probably at least a 5 centimetre thick door, something like that. So this will be on the outside, but if you're on the inside, so what happens is the door closes, so it's slam shut like that, and as that button's depressed, this hook latch bolt thing slides down. Now from the inside, you could, of course, use the key. Which way up? Which way up? One of the ways. This way, yeah. And obviously you can open it up like that. But if you are also on the inside, release the key. Come here, there we go. You can just pull the handle like this, and that retracts the latch bolt hook thing. And also, I believe it's got a locking mechanism here, which means that you can't. Oh, hold on. It does something. Oh, yeah, it stops it from. So that stops this from coming out. So if you don't want to lock yourself in as you'll go outside, you can just pop this on. That means that this whole mechanism won't jump out. Do that, and it will. That opens it from the inside. Of course, if you're on the outside, then the only way to open it would be with the key. Done. But yeah, very cool lock. I've not seen an Ingersoll impregnable in such a cool housing before, so I think we should give it a pick. And if we can pick it, I think there's some screws here. There's going to be a way to try and get in. Whether I can see on the inside of here all those levers, I don't know, but we'll discover it together, won't we? All right, back in a second. So we are in the vise. Here's that claw-like latch, and that's triggered by it basically hitting this button here, which is going to be like a slam latch. So we're in the vise, and this is really a slam or closing operated lock. The latch shoots out when this button, let's call it, bottom button, is depressed in as the door closes. The key is extra long, and if you look at the bow here and the neck, it's a long way to get to the bitting. Slides in, and that will retract that latch or bolt. Okay, so I have a monkey paw in 20,000s, not 25,000, 20,000s. I'm going to pop that in after the tension tool. We're going to turn this, it's a bit crunchy, can you hear that? I'm going to turn that all the way anti-clockwise as far as we can go and put quite a lot of tension on. You can see this is quite a thick wire turner. And we're just going to go in first of all and just see if we can't find anything on the, so that's on the left, just tapping the bottom, so that's 5 and 3, nothing on 2 and nothing on 1. So I felt a little bit of movement on 5, nothing on 4, nothing on 3, tiny click on 2 there, and nothing on 1. Okay, swap over, and we can try, oh, that was 5 on the right, nothing on 4, 3, nothing, 2, nothing. Okay, so we're going to go back down this side on the left and try lever 5, 4, 3, little click, nothing on 2, and maybe something on 1. There, little click on 1 there. Okay, let's go back in. Nothing on 5, nothing on 4, nothing on 3, nothing on 2, nothing on 1. Okay, so try and go back down the left hand side. Just touch 1 maybe. So test again, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so I am going to go back. Oh wow! I just touched one of the levers on the right hand side, and we have an open. Don't feel I picked all the levers on the right hand side, but we are there. So I will take it. Let's see if we can gut this. Got to find somewhere to put this now. Put you over there. Right. Can we at least see what's on the inside of this lock? I don't know is the answer. I've not had a look. I think... okay. That isn't what I was expecting. But I think I might be able to undo it. No. So I can unscrew this side. Let's see if we can get this. So it looks like we have to unscrew this side first. Like that. And that should release this, I think. We're trying to pull this off somehow. So let me get some pliers and see whether I can pull this screw out. Yes, we can. Right, so then we should be able to lift that up. And can we... I want to try and get this side off, but it looks like it's really, really well chewed. I don't know whether I can slide that out or... That's annoying. I don't know if I can get... That's so frustrating. So this pin here has got screw threads on the bottom. Close that tool drawer. But it looks like somebody stripped the head off that screw. I might have a thinner screwdriver. Let me have a look in my little set of drawers and see if I can find a thinner screwdriver. I've got this, which could work. Right, this is so thin. This head. Right, let's try that. See if I can get in deeper. I can. Oh, this is good. This is good. I don't know how far we'll be able to get this, but it looks like we got this whole lock off. That should be able to work now. Let's have a look. Yeah, that works fine. That locks up. Now, let's move that out of the way. Don't need that. It's just going to annoy me. There we go. Right. Take this off. And can we do anything else? There's a lot of slop in this, but I think that's as far as we can go. That's annoying. It all seems to be press fit in there. Yeah, I don't know how to get this out from this point at all, actually. I'm sure it's serviceable somehow, but I just don't know how. Will the key go in from the back somehow as well? I just want to check that out. Be interesting to see how that works from the other side. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Did not expect that. Okay. Wow, that is greasy in there. That is greasy, but that whole thing comes out. So let's slide this in from how it would be at the front. I assume down here, like that. And at some point, these, can you see these levers, these sprung levers? They will all align so that the sidebars will drop down at the top. So you can see that there's this sidebar here. And if I insert the key, and it gets all right, which is about there, at that position, see? All those levers will have their gate, and that will then drop down nicely. And if I take the key out, come here you see that this sidebar sort of sits up. That locks into the top here, which is very wide sort of receiver, which is why it has so much slop. I don't know why they did that. That could be so much tighter. But yeah, as this core turns, basically this would be compressed down by these sloped sides in that receiving receptacle there. And yeah, to pick this, I was basically getting my pick and going down here, and I was just trying to push the levers and get them. There you go. You can see how I'm pushing one up. So you can push these levers left and right by going along and manipulating the yeah, can you see how I'm moving these levers in? Kind of cool. And then you can pick the other side and pick these levers on the other side. You see them springing. Can you see the spring of this? So yeah, you can basically pick these levers. They're hinged. Don't know whether you can see where they're hinged from. Oh, here's one of them. See if I'm kind of, we can push them in and pull them out. See, they're springing. They're hinged from somewhere. I think at the bottom here. Those are the, as I push them in, I'll push one in from the side. There you go. You can see how manipulating them would allow you to move the gate in. Doesn't seem to be any false gates, so that's probably why it's quite easy to pick this one. No false gates. Yeah, you just have to apply enough tension to push this sidebar down onto the top of the levers, manipulate them from the sides until you get the true gate. You need to put a lot of tension on, but you get a little subtle click, and then when they all align like that, the sidebar will drop down and allow the core to turn. So yeah, really interesting 10 lever Ingersoll door lock, like a slam latch lock thing. Very, very cool. What does it say? It just says, yeah, 10 lever Ingersoll security. Nothing more on there. Yeah, very cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you to my good friend Yukov for lending me the lock. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have any comments about this lock, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. I'm going to put this back together now. So yeah, all I can say is stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.